Let's check out the Brix Autograph Collection by Marriott in Trinidad. And trust me, this one's got style. Join us for the full experience. This includes check-in, the room tour, the dining experiences, the gym, the pool, and of course how the staff measure up. If you're curious about what it's really like to stay here, this video is for you. We will be rating our experiences as we go along. Right from the entrance, the Brix gives off a clean, modern vibe with a Caribbean edge. The lobby is open and stylish. Think natural tones, bold accents, and a few local touches that remind you you're in Trinidad. Now let's take a look at the room, and I have to say, it definitely delivered. The space is modern and thoughtfully designed with a calm, neutral color palette that feels both stylish and relaxing. The bed was super comfortable, with crisp linens and plush pillows, perfect after a long day of travel or exploring. There's also a well-lit workspace, a flat-screen TV, and large windows that let in lots of natural light. The bathroom was clean and sleek, with a walk-in glass shower, good water pressure, and Marriott's signature amenities. Everything felt fresh, polished, and well taken care of. When it comes to dining, the Brix definitely offers some great options. Let's start with the rooftop bar, Sugar High. It's got such a cool vibe up there. The view overlooks Port of Spain and the surrounding hills, making it the perfect spot to unwind in the evening. The cocktails were well made, the music was chill, and the overall vibe felt stylish but still relaxed. In the morning, breakfast is served at the Exchange, the hotel's main restaurant on the lobby level. It's a mix of local and international options. The service was friendly and the setting was calm, a great way to start the day. Later that evening, we had dinner at the Exchange as well, and it did not disappoint. The menu offered a variety of well-executed dishes, and the plating was elegant without being over the top. It was a nice balance of fine dining and comfort, and everything we tried was flavorful and thoughtfully prepared. The hotel also has a compact gym that's well equipped for a quick workout. It includes cardio machines, free weights, and a few resistance options. Just outside, you'll find a pool area. While it's not huge, it's a peaceful spot to relax, take a dip, or catch some sun. Surrounded by greenery, with a nice breeze flowing through, it's a lovely escape from the city buzz. And finally, I have to mention the staff. They were consistently friendly, professional, and attentive throughout my stay. From the front desk to the restaurant and housekeeping teams, everyone made an effort to be welcoming and helpful. It really added a personal touch to the whole experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and drop a comment if you stayed here or have questions. We've got more reviews coming, and we can't wait to take you along. Bye, until next time.